I mean, I couldn't even lift a 30-pound dumbbell off the ground without falling to my knees, because it would just, the radiation of the pain would just be so much. It'd be like, oh, I mean, before I started with you, there was workouts. I would pick up the bar and just sit and just drop it and just say, I can't do it anymore. The back pain is what scared me, because my brother's gone through neck surgery. My mom's gone through neck and back surgery. My dad's been under the knife multiple times. And I've always prided myself, I've never been cut yet. And I don't ever want to get cut. I don't want to be 70 plus years old and, you know, walking with a cane, you know, because I can't straighten my back up or whatever like that. Before I joined this program, I couldn't even lift a 30-pound dumbbell off the ground without major sciatic pain and getting frustrated. And 3 months in this program, the other day I deadlifted 315 pounds for 3 reps without a single ounce of pain. I even ran 3 miles on Sunday, not a single pain at all or anything like that. That's what I think the biggest thing I've taken out of your program. Then it makes you think, okay, I can do this now, you know? You can get through this if you do it the right way. Yeah, man, you changed my life a lot, and I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart and everything. And, you know, I appreciate everything you've done, the time you take out to help me and everybody else that you do help out, all your clients, you know, worldwide and everything. I really do appreciate what you've done. So, you know, thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.